Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the vegan Big Mac. Let's get started. So first you want to go ahead and cut the patties in half as such. This is going to be so that we can form two even patties. You just want to use your hands to lightly roll the ball and press it out flat like a regular hamburger patty. Repeat until all of the patties are the same shape and size. Next, you want to add a little oil to your pan. Add the patties. Once all your patties are in the pan, hit each patty with a pinch of your favorite burger seasoning. I use McCormick grill seasoning. Cook the patties for 2 to 3 minutes per side, then flip and repeat on the other side. I would recommend you guys using a non-stick pan for this. After the patties have cooked for 2 to 3 minutes per side, we're going to add some vegan butter to the pan and evenly distribute it. Add your top and bottom buns and cook over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes until they're toasty. Just like this. Now to build our burger. I hope you enjoyed this video for vegan Big Macs. If you did, please remember to click the like button below. Also, for more easy and delicious plant-based recipes, please remember to subscribe. Until next time, friends, happy cooking.